And I'd like to talk a little bit about what to expect during a feasibility study. So you found a property either through a real estate agent or you've been driving around town and found a property that you like and want to do a feasibility on. So what a feasibility is finding out what we can and can't do on the property. So this is just an example project that we're looking at in Richmond, Texas, and the client gave us a survey. So from here, what we're trying to figure out is the extent of the property, which shows us kind of here on that property line. It shows the boundary of the property. What we need to find out are setback requirements. So the building has to be set back a certain distance, 50, 60, 70 feet. You also have side setbacks, typically for utilities or different reasons, but building can't be a certain distance from the side properties, and you also have back setbacks. Also during the feasibility, we find out where we can actually do a curb cut. So when can we a driveway into the property? Also the availability of utilities. Is there a water line going across your property, or is the water line across the street? Water line, sanitary, electricity, natural gas. These are things that we look at the property and find out what would be required. Detention systems, how big of a building we can build, and the number of parking spaces. So we get this information and we do a little cost estimate of what the construction costs would be, what the architectural engineering fees would be, and then we hand that to a client so they know what they're getting into. So making notes here, if we can make a box. There we go. Putting down some notes. So the things that you would expect on a feasibility would be one, what can we build? Number two, what are the costs? And then number three, how long? So those are the three things that we find out during feasibility, and that information is given to you prior to purchasing the property, so you know what you're getting into before you make that big commitment. So this is a feasibility explanation. Thanks. Talk to you guys soon.